Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Fire Stick remote is probably one of the most important accessories for your streaming experience, and finding the perfect replacement can be tricky with so many options available on the market. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the ideal replacement remote for your Amazon Fire Stick, ensuring you get back to enjoying your favorite shows and movies without any further interruption or frustration. Number 5. Allimity Replacement Voice Remote. This is the Allimity Replacement Voice Remote, designed for seamless control of your Amazon TV devices. It's easy to set up and offers a range of convenient features. It works perfectly with various Amazon devices, including the 2nd Gen and 1st Gen Amazon TV Cubes, Fire TV Sticks, and more. Please check compatibility details to ensure it fits your device. Pairing is simple. Just press and hold the home button for a few seconds until the LED light flashes amber. It will automatically connect to your device. It provides full navigation and playback controls, letting you easily skip through scenes and manage your viewing experience. With voice control, you can easily search for and launch content, control smart home devices, check weather, and much more, all hands-free. This remote also includes dedicated power and volume buttons for even more convenient control of your TV and other devices. What we like. It boasts power and volume buttons, and is designed for the 2nd generation of Amazon devices. If you need a reliable replacement with essential extra controls and it works with many Amazon devices, this is the one for you. Its broad compatibility makes it a great all-around choice for various Amazon TV devices. What people say. Works perfectly, once you put your batteries in. This replacement worked like a charm and it was paired in a matter of seconds. It's a good remote, tiny, and to program to your TV. Number 4. Allimity Voice Remote, 3rd Gen. This is the Allimity 3rd Generation Voice Remote, designed for seamless control of your Amazon TV devices. It's the perfect replacement for a lost or damaged remote. It works with many Amazon devices, including the Fire TV Stick, Fire TV Cube, and Fire TV. However, please note it's not compatible with all generations of Amazon devices. Check the compatibility list before purchasing. This remote offers convenient power and volume buttons, giving you complete control of your TV's audio and power directly from the remote. Use your voice to easily search for your favorite shows and movies. Simply speak your command, and it will find what you're looking for. Pairing is simple. Just press and hold the home button for 10 to 15 seconds until the LED rapidly flashes. It will automatically pair with your device within a minute. It features quick access buttons for popular streaming services like Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, and Hulu. Jump straight to your favorite content with a single touch. If you have any questions or problems, contact us through Amazon messaging. We'll respond within 24 hours and do our best to help you. What we like. This remote features voice control for hands-free operation and a super simple pairing process. If you value voice commands and a quick setup, this is perfect. Its compatibility with a wide range of Amazon devices ensures a seamless experience. What people say. Works perfectly, once you put your batteries in. This replacement worked like a charm and it was paired in a matter of seconds. It's a good remote, tiny, and to program to your TV. Number 3. Amazon TV Stick Voice Remote L5B83H. This is the perfect replacement remote for your Amazon TV Stick. It's easy to use and compatible with many models. It works with various Amazon devices, including the TV Stick Lite, 4K, and different generations of TV Cubes. Check the list to confirm compatibility. Pairing is simple. Just hold down the home button for 10 to 15 seconds until the LED rapidly flashes. It should automatically connect to your device. If it doesn't pair, try unplugging your Amazon device and remote, then repeat the pairing steps. New alkaline batteries are recommended. Not sure if this is the right remote for you? Contact us with any questions or issues, we're here to help. What we like. It offers voice control and is designed for specific Amazon TV models. If you need a precise match for your device and want a simple pairing process, this is a great option. The straightforward pairing instructions make setup a breeze. What people say. Works well with my Fire Stick. I like that it was easy to connect my TV to the remote, plus it works great. It was super simple to pair with my Fire Stick. Number 2. Allimity CV98LM Remote. This is the Allimity CV98LM, a replacement remote for your Amazon TV box and stick. It's easy to use and will get you back to watching your favorite shows in no time. It works with several Amazon TV models, including the W87CUN, CL1130, DV83YW, and PE59CV. Please check if your model is listed before purchasing. This remote does not have a microphone, so voice commands are not supported. All functions are button-operated. First, restart your Amazon device by unplugging it for a few seconds. Then, press and hold the home button on it for 10 to 30 seconds to pair it. If you're unsure if this is the right remote for your device, please contact us. We're happy to help you find the perfect match. Before using your new remote, please take a moment to carefully read the included instructions or description. This will ensure a smooth setup and use. What we like. This is a cost-effective alternative if you don't need voice control. If you're on a budget and prioritize a simple, no-frills replacement, this remote is for you. The straightforward pairing process makes setup quick and easy. What people say. It works with the ones it says. I have an old Fire TV box from when they first came out. It might be the second generation, not sure, but this remote worked with it. Just check the model number on your device. If it is one of the ones listed in the description, then you should be ready to get back to your viewing in no time. When the original Fire TV remote died after years of use, we used the PhonePad app to control the Fire TV, but the app constantly needed restarting, and when we moved to a different Wi-Fi there was no way to get the Fire TV box on that new network, so we got this, and it is both a perfect replacement and much more reliable than the app for consistent behavior. The remote works great. It was so easy to use. Directions were easy. OV had my Fire Stick for 5 years and the remote went out. I used the Fire Stick remote app on my phone for a while, but when I changed internet routers I had to either get a replacement remote or just get an updated Fire Stick. I chose the remote. It is overpriced in my opinion. Number 1. Calvas 2nd Gen Fire TV Remote. This is the Calvas 2nd Generation Voice Remote, designed for seamless control of your Fire TV stick or box. Use your voice to easily search for movies, shows, and apps. Just speak your command, and it will respond instantly. It connects to your Fire TV device via Wi-Fi, ensuring a stable and reliable connection for effortless control. Navigate through menus and apps with ease using the intuitive directional buttons and select button. Control your TV's power and volume directly from the remote, simplifying your entertainment experience. It's compatible with most Amazon Fire TV devices, offering a universal solution for your remote needs. Setting it up is a breeze. Just point it at your Fire TV device and start using it right away. What we like. It's a voice-enabled remote with Wi-Fi capabilities, specifically designed for second-generation devices. If you need a voice-controlled remote with Wi-Fi functionality for your second-generation Amazon Fire device, this is the ideal choice. The combination of voice control and Wi-Fi makes it a powerful upgrade. What people say. This is a second-generation Fire TV box remote, so it does not come with a volume button, which I knew, but I rated the volume control a 5-star anyway simply because everything else about the remote works perfectly. For those who may not know, once you have installed the 2 batteries, simply pressing the on button might not work the first time. To circumvent this seemingly horrifying dilemma, simply unplug the power cable from the box for a few seconds, plug it back in, and let the box reboot until your TV home screen appears. At that point your remote should work like magic. I didn't have to replace the Fire box and the remote works like a dream. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.